Welcome back to another episode of Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing this LED light bar on the front of our EZGO TXT. The tools you'll need for today's job are a 9/16 socket. The first step in this process is going to be securing this to the front of your EZGO. Once you have your light bar attached to your golf cart, this might be the most important part of this video. Everything comes with this light bar needed to attach it to your cart, including this wiring harness, which plugs into the light bar itself, has your positive and negative for your battery, and your switch to turn it on and off. And there's plenty of line to run it from your LED light bar to your batteries. After ensuring that your cart is in tow mode, you can connect the harness to the LED light bar and run the harness down the body of the cart. Now we've got our wiring harness wired up to our batteries, and we've got a positive end and a negative end. It's time to connect them to the batteries. Since we have 6-volt batteries in our cart, we do not need a voltage reducer. You need 12 volts to run this light, so since we have two 6-volt batteries next to each other in the circuit, that is what we will connect it to. We're going to use these two batteries because these are what our light kit is already connected to. So we're going to connect the positive to this battery and the negative to this battery. When you tighten these down, you do not want to tighten it very tight. Just make sure that it's snug and it will not come out. Now's the time for the installation of your on-off switch. I like to pull back the floor and feed this through your dash until your on-off switch is where you want it to go. For our installation, I'm going to place ours right here just because it's easy and it will give it a clean look. You'll pull the double-sided tape off of the back and place it on the dash. In addition to the control panel on the dash, there is also an app that can control your LED light bar. Once you have it downloaded and ensure that the Bluetooth is connected, you're ready to go. In the top right corner is the power button, and that will turn on your LED light bar. To choose the colors, you simply press down on which color you'd like to see. Down here where it says DIY, you can press and hold and create your own light combination. When you like what you have, you can press the blue check mark and see what it does. To shut your light bar off, you're just going to hit the power button again. Thank you for watching the installation of the LED light bar. If you'd like to see more videos just like this one, please subscribe to our channel and we look forward to seeing you guys next time.